Hello guys, I'm 𝗪𝗵𝘁𝘀𝗽𝗍 from GRUDA HAIR VIETNAM, specializing in providing all kinds of wig products. The use of wig is becoming more and more popular all over the world. Have you ever wondered how to go from raw material to a complete wig that can be used without common problem? And now I'm so excited to share the detailed process of making wig for this way. First step, remove the deep wavy hair bundle. Mix water with a little salt. The hair bundle in water and rice, then brush the hair from the top down. So use a wide tooth comb to avoid tangle and setting. Then remove it gradually from the outside to the inside until the end of the bundle. You can comb it again, except the top down to be smooth. Pay attention to use a wide tooth comb to help prevent tangle and setting. Second step, after the hair has been combed, the moisture that is not just dry, we put on a fake head to complete a wig. Finishing the wig and apply any style you want.
Separate the hair into sections based on the type of curl so wig has all that you want it to have. Smaller section for tighter curl, larger section for looser curl or waist. Gently straight edge curl with the finger, then let it return to its original shape. Try twisting your curl in the opposite direction if you notice that they are not bouncing back as they should. With a curly human hair wig, you might be able to get your curl back by using a curling iron, but be sure to use more heat. Final step, store your curly wig. The final step in how to care for curly wig is ensuring that you store your detangled wig carefully. Gently cover the wig with a hairnet to keep the curl in place and to prevent further tangling. Then lay your wig flat into the back on box in which it arrives or place your wig into plastic. Seal the box to stop it from getting dirty. Hydrating. As with your natural black hair, sometimes the wig will appear to be dull. If your wig is looking dull, you need to add moisture to it. Since the GRUDA hair curly wig is using human hair, brushing it with a bit of water liquid leave-in and sealing with a line or gram of Vaseline can revitalize the curl and have them looking healthy again. Regularly adding moisture to your wig is essential to protecting the curl. Above is whole process of making wig and how to take care of the deep wave. So if you have any questions about how to make wig a deep wave or want to deal with wholesale order, please contact me on the WhatsApp number in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.